Hello there, this is me, House Happy Club here, and today, earlier I had this beeping on my phone. It's server alert issued by the UK government. You can pause it if you want to read it. It says, there is a very high risk of wildfires. Nationality. Residents, landowners, and visitors should not undertake any activities that could start a fire, including... it keeps disappearing all the time. And start a fire, including disposable barbecues, fire pits, garden incinerators, or fireworks. Even a small flame can rapidly develop into a major wildlife places, lives, homes, businesses, and emergencies. Respondents at risk. Follow official updates and report signs for fire immediately by calling 999. Search gov.uk alerts for more information. Oh, yep, that's what it says on my phone on my message. So, when I first had this message, I heard it ring and I was like, hold on, it's not Sunday. And I was like, oh, that thing again. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.